Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technique 4 Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the product variable, product widget, and product blocks in ShopFunnels. So let's start. We're now here on my login page. Let's first log into my dashboard. Now here on the dashboard, for the product variable, what you need to do is click on the store content, then select store and choose your store. For example, I will choose my store Nimble and click on the Edit Store button. Now here you'll see the pages that I have, like this sales page, collection page, and product page. Let's take a look at my sales page. Scroll down and you can see the products that I have here. Maybe you'll ask how these products are showing here on the On Sale section, Featured section, and New Arrivals section when I click on them. So let me show you how these products are showing. Let's go back to my store. Make sure it's selected. Then click on the Edit Existing Page button. Scroll down and you will see a widget type style. This is my product widget, which is rendering old products. So if I click here, this is the parent element. And if I select on this part alone, on the right side, you can see the products. This is the product variable. On the left side section, if I click on the Components tab, on this Components section, you'll see the elements, Bootstrap elements, widgets, and scroll down more and you'll see the product variables. So these product variables are useful for the product section on your page. Like if you use this product widget, it will render the old products. And if you use this product widget, it will render the products that are on the cart, order, checkout, and product page. And we have a lot of different product variables that you can use here. You can use all of these variables to show anything that is related to your product. Like for example, here you can see this is my image. If I click this image and select the parent element, this is the image and this is the parent element. Here on the right side, you'll see it is a product media. So this product media is actually a product variable. You can use this product media variable to show any product image. Choose yes here if you want to show a single image only. You can also choose its product height and width. Basically, you can choose all of these attributes to manage your image. If I click here on the product title, then you can see this is also a product type variable. You can choose your desired element type for it. This one is a linked type, because this is an anchor tag. And here you can see the element HTML value is title. But if you want to change it to a description, you just have to change it here. And you'll see the product description instead. For example, if I save this page and refresh this page, you'll see a product description instead of a product title. So that's how the product variable works. This time, I'll change it to SKU or stock keeping unit. Now instead of a product description, you'll see the SKU here. Now that you know, I'll revert this one back to a product title. Again, you can also change your element type here. Moving on, this one is the product type. This one is the currency symbol, the compare price, and the price. So that is how you can use the product variable. Later on, I'll also show you how you can use these product variables one by one. For now, I'll show you the summary of all of these variables. This is your Add to Cart button. This is the Quick View button. You'll find the Quick View URL here on the right side. What I have here is the URL of my product page. When they click on the Quick View button, they will be redirected to this page. If you want to redirect your customers to your page, then just copy the URL of that chosen page and paste it here. And make sure you choose Yes here if you want it to be a link. Otherwise, choose No. So that's how the product link works. Next, we have the rating box. You can also add the rating here. This is the product rating variable. If you scroll down here, you can see the product rating variable. You can just drag and drop it here. And this product variable or widget will add the product rating. Now let me show you some examples. I want to add another product in this section of the page. I'll just click on this parent element and click on the plus icon to add another container below it. Now, inside this container, I'll add a product. You can just drag and drop the widget here, or you can select it from the plus icon. Let me drag and drop it here. This widget will render the whole product. I'll select this parent element. You can see the product limit. You can also increase the product limit, like 8 products. Choose your product sort by option here, and the rest of the options below, if you need them. Next, we have the length option. Let me add here 50. Title length means if you have a product with long title character. For example, let me first save this page. And if I refresh the page, you can see here the product one by one. Because I've added 50 to the title length, if any title character's length has greater than 50, then you will see a 3 dot or an ellipsis at the end of the title. If I remove the 50 and save the page, then you will see the full title here. And above, I've also added the title length option. So that is why these products are showing perfectly. Now if I go back to the editor and select the above product widget and remove the title length, save the page, refresh the page, then you will see the full title here. But all products styling is not okay. Like this product has different height, because this product has a long character title. But again, you can edit all of those here. And that is how you can use the title length option to show all the product in the same height. Now I'll just save the page. And in this product, I will also add product currency. You can see here, I have no product currency. After the product type, I'll just add product currency. So just click on the plus icon and search for the product variable of the product currency, then click on it. And after the product currency, I'll click on the plus icon again. Now I'll add a product price. So this is the product currency and this is the product price. Now I'll just save the page. If I refresh the page, you can see the product currency and price. Now let me add some space in between them. And instead of a product currency, I'll add the product currency symbol. I'll just go back to the editor and edit it out here. Change the currency to currency symbol. Then add some space here. Make it bold. When that's done, save the page. Now you can see the changes here. Next, let me add a product rating here. and add a product rating active color. You can also edit the product rating count depending on how many you need. After that, save the page. And if I refresh this page, you will see the product rating is added. Again, you can add any widgets you want here. Add whatever you need. You can easily drag and drop them on the specific places that you want. So moving on, let me show you how you can use the product block. As you can see here on the blocks section, we have a lot of built-in product blocks. Now let me add this full single-page product block. I'll add a new container. And inside this container, I'll just drag and drop this block here. Now that it's added, I'll save the page to show you all the products on the page. If I refresh this page, you can see here the product. Let me show you these blocks on the mobile screen. I'll go to the developer tools and choose the table view. And this is showing correctly. If I choose mobile view, then it also shows the correct mobile view. We have full responsive templates, which will work perfectly on any devices. So this is how you can use product blocks. You can also use any product blocks if you want to change some sorting and filtering, like if you want to add a product sort by, just choose one here. Save it, and refresh the page. And that is how you can use the sorting in ShopFunnels. Next, move to the featured section and click on the view icon. You can totally change this section depending on your requirements. Now here, you can see the collection ID. If you want to show products related to a collection, like if you want to show the featured collection, best-selling collection, product, or if I go to my collection section, here you can see I have a lot of collections. So I want to show a product related to this men's pajama collection. So what I can do is, I'll just go here. Now, just select here collection ID. Select it. Now you can see here all the products related to Kurta Pajama Collection. This is Kurta Pajama Collection. If I edit it, in this collection, I have a total of 5 products. And if I save this page, let me edit some text here. And I'll add here Kurta Pajama and save the page. Now you will see here Kurta Pajama related products. And you also see 4 products, but in the editor, I have added 8 products. And the collection have 5 products, so 1 product is missing. And that is because the one missing product is deactivated. That is why it is not showing. Now in the editor, let me also add title length to 50 and save the page. And if I refresh the page, now you will see the products are in the same height. So this is how you can also add the collection related products. And it means that if you are using this option, then I would like to suggest that you use this option only on the collection page, not on any page, only in the collection page. So this is how you can use the product page and product page variable. You can also use this type of product blocks and product page variables on any page. Like if you want to use this product page on the collection page, product page, and cart page, or anywhere you want to. For example, I want to use product blocks and product variables on my cart page. So I'll just go to my cart page, click here, and edit the existing page button. Here I'm already using blocks, and let me show you another block. I'll click on the plus icon, and now I'll just click here. Here you can use any product variables or product blocks on these sections. For example, I want to use this product block. Select this and save the page. And if I refresh the page, you can see all of these products. So this is how you can use the product page variable. Now I'll show you how you can only use a product page variable. We have some product page related variables which works on the product page. For example, I have this product page. So let's go to the editor. Click on the component section and scroll down. You can see here the product page variable. This is the cart icon, and this is the product error, buy now button, and add to cart button. For example, this is the add to cart button, and this is buy now button. You can also use this add to cart widget here. Just drag and drop here. So this is the add to cart button. And product variants. And here you can use the product variants variable. This text and this widget is almost the same. And here you can see the product error. You can use this product page variable on the product page. And if I save the page and visit any product, like this product here, you can see this is a button. And this is also a button. If I click the Buy Now button, it will direct to my order page. And if I also click here, Add Do Purchase button, this will also redirect to my order page. So this is how you can use the product variables and product widgets in ShopFunnels. Thanks for watching.